that will be returned now to the benefit of the Nigerian people. This agreement, I think, marks a significant milestone, as the minister said, in the ongoing collaboration between our two governments in combating corruption, upholding the rule of law, and recovering stolen funds from the Nigerian people so they can be returned to the benefit of the Nigerian people. The disbursement of this nearly $53 million has been agreed upon through negotiations between our two governments. And as we heard, $50 million will be used through the World Bank to expand the electric grid in Nigeria through an existing World Bank program, to expand electrical, renewable energy through electricity in rural areas of Nigeria. And just under $3 million of this will go to the International Institute of Justice to expand regional capacity here in Nigeria, to use the justice system to fight terrorism, to strengthen transparency and counter corruption. I am also very pleased and have great confidence in the ability of the minister and his team to effectively monitor and ensure that these funds are indeed used for the benefit of the Nigerian people. We would not be signing this agreement if we did not have confidence that this is exactly how the funds, these returned funds, will be used. So again, this is a good day, I think, for our two governments, and a very good day for the people of Nigeria. Thank you.